Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Disney's Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn came out today, and I'm on vacation, but I was still able to find a box of the Illumineer's Trove. So let's dig into it and see what the second set from Disney's Lorcana is all about. Okay, so tonight I'm going to be opening this Illumineer's Trove of Rise of the Floodborn. Disney Lorcana's second set. Here we go. It has one storage box, 2 deck boxes, 8 booster packs, and 15 damage counters, plus a player's guide. So I also have 2 surprises if you stay to the end. A hint about one of the surprises. I also opened, I also bought a couple of starter decks, and well, I just couldn't wait. I had to go ahead and open the packs. So yeah, one of the surprises is going to be something from one of those packs. So let's get started with this Illumineer's Trove. I'm sorry, the lighting makes it look like I'm shooting a prisoner of war video or something, but that's the best I can do in this hotel. By the way, I'm in Orlando, and it's kind of cool that I was able to pick up some Lorcana here at the home of Disney. All right, so there's our storage box. Very nice. I got the Rise of the Floodborn branding on it, and the Disney Lorcana branding as well. All right. Here's the player's guide, which is going to have all the cards in it from the set. But that's not what you're here for. So we will move on pretty quickly. Look at that. They were just kind of scattered up in there. Okay, so here's the life counters, or damage counters, what have you. I'm not going to spend much time on this. We'll look at the boxes real quick, what they're going to look like. I'm not going to put it together because they don't stay together very well. So yeah, that is pretty darn cool. Yep, very nice. Okay, cool. So let's dig into it. Two, 4, 6, 8. So we are going to just, I guess, start right here. All right, let's see what we got. Roll the dice. Cusco Wanted Llama. A 1/2 for 2, common. Peter Pan's Dagger. Enchantress. Duke Weaselton. Mulan. Prince Naveen. Oh wait, yeah, these are all commons. Here's the uncommons. Ring the Bell. Hey Hey. Hey Hey, Persistent Presence. He's a 2/1 that quests for 1. He's back. When this character is banished in a challenge, return this card to your hand. I love it. Rapunzel. And a rare is Perplexing Signposts. Banish this item, return chosen character of yours to your hand. Okay, cool. Another rare is Illumineer. A 7/7 for 7 that quests for 2, and a foil, Nick Wilde. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I won't even separate all that out just yet. We shall move on. Legend of the Sword and the Stone. Ray. Popsicle. That's cute. Painting the Roses Red. Donald Duck. Donald Duck Deep Sea Diver. Fang Crossbow. Here we're into the uncommons. Card Soldiers. Very nice. Mouse Armor. Rare Strength of a Raging Fire. Oh, super rare. I believe that's what... I've forgotten what the rarities are called. I'm sorry. So I'm going to call that a super rare because it's got 4 sides. The Queen, Commanding Presence, Shift 2. So you can pay 2 less. Well, I'm sorry, you can pay 2 ink to play her on top of another character named the Queen. Who's the fairest? Whenever this character quests, chosen opposing character gets -4 attack for this turn, and chosen character gets +4 this turn. Interesting. Pretty cool. And our foil is Merlin. Merlin Squirrel. Very cool. I'm banging this camera around. Sorry about that. Not my normal setup, obviously. Okay, Cusco. What did you call me? Improvise. Cruella DeVille. And by the way, yeah, I'm running through the comments fairly quickly. Piglet. Last Cannon. Ring the Bell. Uncommon. Banish chosen damaged character. Hey, good deal. We've already talked about him. Rapunzel. Shift 3, and whenever you remove 1 or more damage from one of your characters, you may draw a card. Okay. She's an 06. For 5. And Cinderella is our rare. A 1/2 for 1. Oh, very nice. Singer 3, very nice. Yeah, that's a pretty great rare. Beast, that is I think that's legendary, right? I believe so. I believe that's legendary. It's a 5-sided deal. He is a 4/5 for 6 ink that quests for 2. Second win. Whenever an opposing character is damaged, you may ready this character. Awesome. And a foil rare of Merlin Rabbit. Very cool. When you play this character and he leaves play, you may draw a card. He's a 2/3 for 4 that quests for 1. Hippity hop. Hippity hoppity. Get off my property. Okay. Moving right along. I'm stuck. Stuck. Okay, we're getting close to Christmas. Tigger. Do you guys know the wonderful thing about Tiggers? The wonderful thing about Tiggers is Tigger's a wonderful thing. Donald Duck Sleepwalker. Owl Logical Lecturer. Hold Still. Remove 4 damage. Beast. Madam Mim. Uncommon. Madam Mim Snake. The Most Diabolical Scheme. Banish chosen villain of yours to banish chosen character. Interesting. Bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off. Jafar Dreadnought. Shift 2. During your turn, whenever this character banishes another character in a challenge, you may draw a card. Okay, very nice. Dragon Gem is the rare. Return Costs, whoa, awesome. Costs 3 ink. 3 and exert it. Return a character card with support from your discard to your hand. Oh yeah, this one's nice. Mickey Mouse friendly face. He is a 1/6 for 6. But he quests for 3. And whenever this character quests, you can pay 3 less ink for your next character you play this turn. Very cool card. I'm a big fan of Mickey Mouse friendly face. And the foil is Owl, Logical Lecturer. Merlin Squirrel. Ooh, don't know if that's Bone or Bound or Bond. But he's a precious entrepreneur, isn't he? No, he's not. He's precocious. I can't read tonight. That's awesome. Arthur, the trained swordsman. Owl. Sneezy, very allergic. 'Tis the season. Cinderella, not in training. Donald Duck, perfect gentleman. This is an uncommon. 2/5 for 4. Quests for 2. Has shift 3. At the start of your turn, each player may draw a card. Each player. There could be some good usage for that. Merlin, Goat. 4/3 for 4. That quests for 1. When you play this character and he leaves play, you gain 1 lore. Gaston. 3/3 for 3. That quests for 1. Has Singer 5. Wow. Pinocchio, 1/1 for 2. That quests for 3. That's pretty big. Yeah, that's a rare, and that's very good. Very nice. Cheshire Cat is the super rare. Shift 5. He's a 5/6 for 8. That quests for 2. Shift 5. Evasive. Only characters with evasive can challenge this character. Oh, okay. And he has exert him to banish chosen damaged character. Very nice. And our foil is Judy Hopps, Optimistic Officer. Uncommon. Okay, Fairy Godmother. Lady Tremaine. Gaston. Gumbo Pot. Sleepy. Benja. Uncommon Sardine Can. Item for 4. Flight Cabin. Your exerted characters gain ward. Opponents can't choose them except to challenge. Interesting. Mother Gothel. A 3/4 for 2. And then this character enters the play with 3 damage. What have you done? I don't know about that. Don't know. But, you know, a 3/4 for 2 is excellent, but the 3 damage, life's the trade-off, right? The Prince never gives up. He's uncommon. Bodyguard. 1/3 for 3. Has resist +1. Damage dealt to this character is reduced by 1. That's very nice. And he quests for 2. Rare. Hiram Flaversham. A 1/6 for 4 that quests for 1. When you play this character and whenever he quests, you may banish one of your items to draw 2 cards. Interesting. Shere Khan. A 3/3 for 3. Shere Khan, Menacing Predator. Thank you. Quest for 1. Don't insult my intelligence. Whenever one of your characters challenges another character, gain 1 lore. And our foil is Sneezy, very allergic. Alright, just 2 packs left. I'm making a mess. Okay, Legend of the Sword and the Stone. Rhea. Enchantress. Popsicle. Painting the Roses Red. Donald Duck Deep Sea Diver. Daisy Duck Secret Agent. Uncommon. 2/3 for 4. The quest for 2. Whenever this character quests, each opponent chooses and discards a card. Very nice. Launch. Banish chosen item of yours to deal 5 damage to chosen character. Okay. Fairy Godmother, a 3/7 for 5 that quests for 2. Simple enough. Weight Set, a rare. Whenever you play a character with 4 ink or more, you may pay 1 ink to draw a card. Okay, very nice. The Queen Commanding Presence, we've already talked about her. She is a super rare. And a false super rare, Cinderella, Stout-Hearted. She is a 5/5 for 7, quests for 3, shift 5, resist 2. And whenever you play a song, this character may challenge ready characters this turn. Interesting. Very cool. I like that one. That might be my favorite card that I've seen so far. Except she costs 7, but that's okay. There are ways around that. I don't know what they are, but I'm sure there are ways. Whoops, why don't I just bang around the camera a little bit more? Okay. Merlin Crab. Haven't seen that one yet. Baloo. Ray. Nothing to Hide. Eudora. Jafar. Zero to Hero. Uncommon. This is a song for 2. Count the number of characters you have in play. You pay that amount of ink less for the next character you play this turn. Okay. The Most Diabolical Scheme. Banish chosen villain of yours to banish chosen character. I think we already talked about that one. Pick a fight. Chosen character can challenge ready characters this turn. Oh, yeah, that's Wreck-It Ralph. Nice. Pete, the bad guy. He's a rare. He's also a 3/4 for 5 that quests for 2. Take that. Whenever you play an action, this character gets +2 attack this turn. Who's next? Well, this character has 7 attack or more. He gets +2 to his questing. Very nice. Miss Judson, Housekeeper, rare. Whenever she's a 1/5 for 4 that quests for 2. Whenever you play a Floodborn character, you may put the top card of your deck into your inkwell face down and exerted. And the last card is a foil Rhea. Okay, so no super awesome cards here. Well, I'll say this: no enchanted rares from the Illumineer's Trove. So these are the 2 that I got from the starter decks that I got, because I just couldn't wait. I had to open something, you know. Let's see, is this the one I wanted to show you? I'll put them back like they were. I'm sure, oh, yep, there it is. So I have the Queen, you know, it doesn't matter about the uncommons. Jafar, Pain, Caterpillar, Gruesome and Grim, Cinderella Stout-Hearted, and then Lady Tremaine, an enchanted rare. So I couldn't believe that I got this, and that's just flippin' amazing. I mean, I thought I would never ever pull another enchanted rare after I pulled the other one that I got, the Elsa. So there she is, Lady Tremaine, Imperious Queen. I am very happy with this card. I think it's about a $200 card, roughly. Not sure if it's worth that much, but that's what I saw one going for on eBay about 30 minutes ago. It had bids up to $200. So, oh yeah, the second surprise. Let me gently put this away because I don't have any protectors here with me, so I'm just going to have to trust that being in herd mentality here will take care of my Lady Tremaine. So the other surprise is I splurged and I found some of the some booster packs from the first chapter. $14 frickin' a piece. But you know what I said? I'm out here and I just want to buy some cool stuff that's going to make me happy, and this did the trick. Just being able to buy them. So we're going to open them up, see what's in there, because why not? That's what we do. Okay, Peter Pan, Mr. Smee, Elsa, Mickey Mouse, Mufasa, Goons, Mother Knows Best, Coconut Basket, Ariel, Jafar is a rare, Genie is a super rare, and we have a full Donald Duck strutting his stuff. Okay, next up. We're gonna skip past these these commons. Get to Jumbo Jukiba. We'll jump ahead. Be our guest. Teika. Oh, that's a super rare. Mickey Mouse super rare. And a full Tangle. Alright. Last chance saloon here. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm cheating. Okay, so no enchanted rare. We got Vicious Betrayal as a foil. Rare Sword of Truth. A rare Zeus, God of Lightning. Alright, so that's it. That was fun. I'm going to read through these Rise of the Floodborn cards a lot closer now. And I'm going to still celebrate pulling that Lady Tremaine. And who knows, I might end up selling it just because, if I do, it will pay for pretty much everything I got tonight. The Illumineer's Trove was over retail at $120. And the starter decks, I don't think there's a sticker price on there, but they were $30 a piece. That's also over over the regular price, over the retail price. But supply and demand, you got to do what you got to do. And of course, $14 is far over the regular price for first chapter. However, I have seen single packs going for up to $20, which is redonkulous. Anyway, I had fun in opening these up. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.